it is my last full week of summer before Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, August 26th, and it is my last full week of summer before I start school next Wednesday on September 4th. And I thought I would make a last full summer week of summer vlog, especially because I've got things every single day of the week this week. Starting off the week strong today. It is currently 8:30, and at 9 a.m. I've got a student council meeting until 3 p.m. and today we not only have a student council meeting, but we are also helping out the teachers in our school building with whatever they need help with, whether that's like putting up posters in their room, printing out some papers, stapling papers together, whatever it may be. We are there as a student council to help them out, and lunch is also provided there. So it's going to be a pretty busy day, but I'm about to leave now so I can go pick up my friend and get to the high school on time. Hey guys, it is now 10:30. My friend and I are in the concession stand grabbing some different sodas for our lunch break that we have about an hour and a half. And then the rest of the student council has split up to help all the different teachers in our school building that need help with things. And then after we grab the sodas, me and my friend are going to head back to the school building and then help some teachers around the school. So this is all the soda we have. We've got ginger ale, diet Mountain Dew, regular Mountain Dew, Starry, and Crush. And then we have a total of 16 packs. And then there's my friend Macy. Hey guys, it is now 4 p.m. I got home 10 minutes ago. Our meeting was supposed to end at 3 p.m. but it ended up lasting until like 3:45 just because this one teacher didn't get any help all day. So then the whole student council, we went there to help him, and then we had another little meeting just as a student council to talk about homecoming, dress-up days, and stuff like that. And then I'm actually leaving my house at 5:30 to go to my temple. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today is August 27th, but before I talk about my plans for today, I wanted to talk about yesterday. So yesterday I probably got home around 4, and then at 5:40 or so I left to go to my temple after getting changed and everything, because yesterday was Janmashtami, so we had a special thing for that at my temple, and Janmashtami is the birthday of our god Krishna Bhagwan. So there was like probably 30-40 of us. And normally I go to my temple on Sundays, which I went on Sunday all day like I normally do. And then went again yesterday for Janmashtami. And I got home around 11:40, stayed up till like 12:15 or so before I went to bed. But now my plans for today, I don't have any plans for this morning, but I do have a concession shift at the high school later today from 4 to 8 p.m. for a boys soccer game, I believe. And I'm going to be working that with my friend Macy and a couple of other people in student council. So it should be fun, but I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it is currently 3 p.m. and my friend is probably going to come here at like 3:30 to pick me up. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready. It is currently 3:35 and I think my friend is on her way right now, but I'm done getting ready. I have on this black and white t-shirt that I got for the new school year from Ross, and then I have on a white skirt to go with it. But now I'm just going to go downstairs and wait for my friend to get here so that we aren't late to our concession shift. Hey guys, it is currently 9:20. I got home 5 minutes ago, and working concessions was just as fun as I remember it being from last year, because it's like outdoors, so we can see the soccer games going on while we work concessions, which is like entertaining, especially when we don't have any customers that want to have buy any like food or beverages. But it was fun. And then while working concessions, my friend Elena from school, she was there watching her brother play, so we talked for a bit. And then later, my friends Alyssa and Kenna came to watch the game and also talked to me and Macy, since we're all like friends. So it was really fun. And then all four of us ended up watching the game, the last 20 minutes of the varsity game, which was really fun. And now I'm back home, so I'm going to change out of this, maybe go downstairs for some ice cream and stuff, and then hopefully go to bed. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today is August 28th, and right now I don't have any morning or afternoon plans, but today evening from like 4 to 7 p.m., like anytime between then, my family and I are going to head to the high school for our open house that is today, and that's when I will get my MacBook for the school year, and I will also meet all my teachers that I have this year, so that will be fun, and hopefully I get to see some friends during this time when I'm like meeting all my teachers and stuff, so that will be fun. Hey guys, it is 5:40 and I just finished getting ready to go to the high school open house and get my MacBook and meet my teachers for quarter one. My English teacher that I have isn't there today because he was unable to come, so I'll just be meeting my other three teachers that I have this first quarter. Hey guys, it is 7:28 p.m. and I got home about like 15 minutes ago, and I thought I would show you guys my brand new MacBook. So this is like the latest model and everything. So we will be using these for the next 4 years, but I'm a sophomore, so this is my MacBook for the next 3 years, sophomore, junior, and senior year. But this year's freshmen have it for their whole high school journey. So it's brand new, but this is like the charger. It's still like in its original packaging that it comes with, and same with like the charger block, so it's really nice. And then for the actual MacBook, it's brand new like I said, so it is still like very like clean and shiny, and I'm hoping to keep it this way. It's not charged right now, but once it's charged, I'm probably going to start like arranging the apps and everything the way I like it. And one more thing, another thing that I got is a new school t-shirt for the year. I'm not going to show the whole thing because it has like my school name and everything on it, but it's black with blue and white writing, because blue and white are our school colors. So a brand new t-shirt for the new school year. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today is August 29th, and I don't have any plans for today, so I'm hoping to get things done at home before school starts, like giving my room a nice deep clean, like wiping off my desk and everything like that today, and then also starting like next week's presentation for my temple and things. And today we actually have our first home football game of the season. but I don't know anybody going, so I think I'm just going to stay home and skip the football game today, but I'll see it because that's not until like 7 p.m. So I've still got a couple hours to decide what I want to do, if I want to go or not. But I think the first thing I want to do today is start next week's presentation for my temple. Hey guys, happy Friday. Today is August 30th and it is currently 9:50 a.m. And at 10 a.m. I have a meeting for Coordination Committee, which is a committee for our homecoming for student council. And I'm the co-head for that committee, which means I have to go to this meeting and it's actually at Starbucks. So I'm really excited. I'm probably not going to get anything, but it's just a small meeting, probably like 30-40 minutes to discuss some things for homecoming coordination and what game we want to do this year to pick our homecoming king and queen and stuff, and like what supplies and stuff we need so we can get that ordered off of Amazon so it arrives on time. Hey guys, I just got back from my coordination meeting at Starbucks and it was really good. We went over what we want for decorations and stuff for coordination and how we want to pick the king and queen for homecoming this year and stuff like that. And we also found some things on Amazon to order once we go over all the things that we want with the whole student council, see if anybody else has like any different suggestions and stuff. But for Carnival Committee, which is another committee that I'm on this year along with Parade Committee. But for Carnival Committee, we are currently contacting different businesses and stuff for donations for our school-wide homecoming carnival that is during homecoming week. And the donations that we get from the different businesses we use for prizes for carnival game winners. And last year I contacted Starbucks and they gave me 10 of their Starbucks cups for donations that we could use as prizes. And this year I've called them about like 4 times, but I never got a response from the manager. So since I went there today, I decided to talk to the manager in person. And I actually brought back 11 of their Starbucks cups today. And so now they're just going to be in my house for the next couple of weeks until homecoming week before we start preparing everything for that week. But right now, I think I'm going to have lunch in about like 30-40 minutes, maybe an hour, depending on when it's ready. So for now, I just want to start editing this video so I can post it on time and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it is currently 6:06 p.m. and my whole family is getting ready to go to this little flower garden that is about like 15 minutes away from my house. We visit this area every summer and it is always so pretty, especially at the end of the summer because that's when the flowers have been like fully grown and they've all like bloomed and everything, so it's really pretty. And there's actually like an upper part of it, and then when you go like down the hill there's like a lower part. And today we're actually visiting the lower part, which also has a couple of peacocks, which is going to be really fun to see again before summer ends and school starts next week, which I'm really excited about. But it's time to leave, so let's go. Hey guys, I just got back, and before I end today's video, I wanted to show you guys all the different cups I got from Starbucks for donations for our homecoming carnival this year. So let's get started on that. First, I have 4 of these like green and pink ones. It's actually like a glass one, so it's not their plastic ones. And then this is where you drink out of it, and then you just spin this so that it doesn't leak. And I thought this one was really cute, and I got 4 of these donated. Next, I have this coffee cup right here, coffee mug, whatever you call it. It is a really pretty light blue, like teal color with the Starbucks logo. Again, this one's really pretty, so hopefully whoever wins it loves it. Next, I also have this green one with like dark and green marble pattern. And then this one's just like your normal coffee cup where you just do it like that to drink out of it. And I also really like the pattern on this one. Next, I have this purple one, and it's like glittery. This one is just pop it open and then you can like drink out of it. And I also really like this one. It is a bit smaller in size compared to some of the other ones that I have, but this one is really pretty with the glitter. Next, I got 2 of these. These are their bigger ones, and it has more of like a graphic design on it. And this is normally not something that I would get, however, I'm not keeping any of these, so hopefully whoever wins this as a prize likes it. Next, I have this one that also has a graphic design. It's really similar to the last one I just showed you guys, but it just has a different design on it. Lastly, I have this one right here. It's a really light purple color, and this one has a texture on it with the Starbucks logo. I actually really love this one, and the straw is like really crystal clear and everything. And I think this is my favorite one that I got donated. So those are all the cups that I got donated from Starbucks, and each of them are really pretty in their own unique way. And I hope that whoever wins these likes them. But this is where I'm going to end today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are just as excited to go back to school as I am. And if you've already started, I hope your school year is going really well. But more school vlogs are about to come. I've got a what's in my backpack coming, first day of school vlog, first full week of school vlog, homecoming week. All of those vlogs are going to be coming when these events come up. But for now, I will see you guys back with another video. Until then, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye everyone!